A Saudi Arabian prince now is suing the city of Los Angeles for millions of dollars. Residents in Benedict Canyon think the prince's proposed development is skirting fire regulations and putting residents at risk. KCAL 9's Serene Branson reports.
In LA's posh Benedict Canyon, a battle of mansion-sized proportions over a Saudi prince's proposed compound is raging now that the issue of fire safety is being raised by fired-up residents.
These hills are beautiful, they're gorgeous, but they have very serious hazards to them.
Fires don't observe property lines. You know, we're concerned about our homes, we're concerned about our families, we're concerned about the firefighters that respond.
Nikki Miner and Martha Karsh are longtime Benedict Canyon residents. Karsh has been spearheading opposition to a proposed 52,000 square foot compound built by Prince Abdulaziz bin Abdullah, second in line to the Saudi throne. But recently, Karsh and the association filed suit against the LA Fire Department, claiming a required secondary access road to the property was substituted with a zigzagging staircase, meaning firefighters would have to cross another property and carry gear up a hill.
It's a very odd situation that makes everybody in the community ask, why? Why, when the fire department is usually so rigorous about enforcing the fire codes, why did they give this applicant a pass?
Los Angeles code states that when you're dealing with a property this large, at least one additional ingress-egress roadway shall be provided. But a two-line memo shows the fire chief and fire marshal went ahead and cleared the conditions.
Why they would waive a life safety requirement like this is really beyond all of our understanding.
There are a lot of questions that need to be answered about this.
Benedict Canyon is part of LA City Councilman Paul Koretz's region. He's written letters to planning and the fire department questioning the project, but stopped short of calling for an investigation.
There should be a public hearing. It shouldn't just be something that should get a sign-off in a back room somewhere.
City Fire, which has faced criticism over slow response times to 911 calls, declined an interview, saying they couldn't comment due to pending litigation, but did say substitutions for supplemental fire protection are done, quote, frequently.
Our plans comply with every rule and regulation that there is in the city, including all the fire codes.
Land use attorney Ben Resnick is representing the prince. He claims a staircase from a road solves any issue and calls the residents' claims ridiculous.
They refuse to acknowledge that the secondary access is real, is legal, because if they do so, it's game over.
So while residents are suing the LA Fire Department, the prince, through his company Tower Lane Properties, is suing the city of LA, seeking $25 million in damages for delaying the project.
I've never ever seen that in my 38 years of practice, where the planning department decides it knows better. If this was perhaps Prince from England, not from Saudi Arabia, whether we'd be in this battle.
Insinuations Martha Karsh and other homeowners find offensive.
We welcome people to our neighborhood. We want people to come and improve their property. We want them to follow the same rules all the rest of us have to follow.
That was Serene Branson. Fire department and city planning officials declined to talk about the issue. Right now, things are at a standoff. There are significant legal battles to mount before moving forward. The prince, through his attorney, also declined an interview.